Hi again, boys and girls. I went ahead and I brought home our 3D shapes that we practiced with at school, and I was just going to show them to you again and see if you remember what they're called. I know you did the sort the other day, and that was so great. Um, Remember what this is called? It's not a circle. It's a sphere. It's like you put S and F together. Sphere, like a ball. I know you went and found things in your home with these shapes too. I just wanted to review them with you so you remember. Do you remember this one? It has rectangles on the side, so that might give a hint to you. It's called a rectangular prism. Such a pretty color when I look through there. Rectangular prism. Make sure you say the words out loud, okay? Everyone knows this one, right? If it's smaller and it's made of ice, what is it? It's a cube, isn't it? Cube, because it has squares on all sides. So that makes it a cube. Here's a little tricker. It's just like this one, looks different. What's that word again? Rectangular prism. There you go. Proud of you. This one you might see in Egypt somewhere, right? It's a pyramid. Pyramid. It has triangles all around. And then we talked about this silly one, remember? It's kind of half of this one. So what was the word that means half? Remember we talked about hemisphere? Hemi means half, sphere means this. So it's half of this. Hemisphere. Try to say it out loud. What about this shape? Looks like a battery maybe, or a shape of a drinking glass, a little tiny drinking glass. It's called a cylinder. Remember a cylinder. And you know this one. If it was this way, and it had ice cream right here, it would be a what? It's a cone, right? It's a cone. This way or that way. There's a circle on the bottom. See? This one was really hard. Remember, it has pentagons on the ends. So it's a pentangular prism. That's a fancy Nancy word, isn't it? And last but not least, we have one teeny tiny little cube, right? Because remember, it has squares on all sides, all right? Just wanted you to remember those shapes. And I'll see you again. Bye-bye.